Take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 6.2-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the window power, rear sliding, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, sunroof, power, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated seats, heated and cooled driver and front passenger front bucket, LTZ Plus package, rear vision camera, audio system with navigation, FM system stereo with CD player, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.